Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper's Number Counter widget to your Shopify website. A number counter widget is a great way to showcase statistics, achievements, milestones, or key figures in an engaging and dynamic format. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now, search for Number Counter in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Data tab, you can edit the counter values, such as the start value and end value, and also set the duration. In the number formatting section, you can enable Smart Abbreviation and choose the thousand separator from the drop-down options. In the Label and Formatting section, you can edit the label text and add a prefix or suffix. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can switch between different templates. Next, go to the Style tab. These settings may update depending on the selected template. In the Color section, you can change the background color, text color, and accent color. In the Typography section, you can change the font. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Shopify site editor. Inside the editor, add a custom liquid block, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.